Hey guys, we received this stainless steel bathroom accessory set for test and try. This is a 5-piece, 23.6 inches towel bar, double towel bar or towel ring, coat hook, toilet paper holder with shelf. So this is a 5-piece as you can see. So this is a nice black stainless steel material and feels really nice on hand and double hook with all the supplies of screws and everything is provided. It's a waterproof, rust proof and easy to install. This is like the towel ring. So you can see like from the corners and the finish, it's really a nice finish. And also like in the back side, this looks really good. So big towel bar. So my overall impression is a nice material and then easy to install thing because the screws are provided and everything is provided that you can just put in. So you can see like the quality here. So all the coating and everything is well done because there is no spot, nothing. And these are the screws that goes into the wall and the toilet paper holder. So this is how you will install it. You can just put in the screws after making the hole and then put it in the top material, the plate, and then screw and just tighten it with the supplied Allen key. So this is a straightforward process and everything is provided. So this is the Allen key that you can just tighten this up on the plate. So this is a nice set and nice thing to have all the screws and supplies for your toilet needs.